to be. It's me, ahfhshfh 2013. It's me, ahfhshfh 2013. What if we just crowd? I just crowd myself with it's me, ahfhshfh 2013. It's gonna crowd a lot. It's me, ahfhshfh 2013. Come on, come on, come on, come on, yeah! What is this? So we'll start with. This is 50 power. 50 stands for running because yeah, 50. So jam power is also 50. So we need to go to avatar toggle. We can like write the noobs. It means if I write myself. Then I put the amount of noobs. Like, let's pretend ahfhshfh noobs. See? I just got myself with myself. I just want free Robux. Yeah, I want free Robux. Yeah. Let's make our walk speed to 100. Get our jump power to 100. And let's spend a lot of noobs. 100 ahfhshfh gimmies. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh! What are you doing? You're just chaos! You're just doing chaos now. There's the number 100 coming. Ouch! Why is it going to insane now? And then I can jump that high. I'm gonna make the amount of noobs like this. Get the 50 noobs. Get the 50 noobs. Holy crap. Unfortunately, there's other players to do this. What? Let's invite. So an invite. Two Bobs. What? What?
Did you turn off the electric fan?
Yeah. Also, I just could play Roblox New Friends. Oh my god, why are they so quick? And oh, there are a lot of memes. Let's appreciate the 60 noobs. I should make the walk speed to 90 because I know that this is gonna almost crash the game. Open game. 60. Here. Increase your walk speed by 10. We're gonna be faster than a flash. We're setting our walk speed to 200. Yeah. What? I can be faster than a flash! Dude, it gives you an ability to be faster than Flash! Hey! Stop punching my face! Dude! These noobs are very crazy! We're gonna do 10 noobs. Walk power, jump power, 200 as well. Let's take it 200 and let's jump power. Charge! It allows me to become like the Flash now. Ah! Died! That's it. The noobs. We need to make this very extended thing as possible. Why are you making me sit? dude. That's just bitches. You're gonna turn us all into bitches, dude. What are you doing? Hey, dude. Where's the 10 crew? Hey! We're just punching our dude. Chuckles. I need to make him out of noob circle. Come on, press. Ouch! Hey, stop putting in my seats, dude. You're just 10 noobs now. Now we gotta make it like 20 noobs. We gotta get this. Oh my god, it's even crazier. Since how many noobs this is, it's all crowded into stacks of dust. Ow! And stop interacting with my beautiful cell phone of mine. There's just one level of games over here. Hey! Why are you interacting super fast? Yeah. What are you guys gonna do a manhunt? Oh, just doing a manhunt now. Nope, let's go! Run! Run for your life! Suspicious. Your size? Look at this! There's an army of noobs! Chasing me! Let's make our size like the size of an ant. Look at our size, so tiny. Noobs are also gonna be tiny. Then I can jump that high and be like the size of a noob. Damn it. Whoa. Yes, I am the best. Ow, my bones. Only my bones. Okay. All the looms are back. Super well dressed. What? His noobs are still back? How is their entire life doing this? Many of the noobs are going crazy, and I'm just jumping in the red trail. Are you just making the party so good? You need to put 40 noobs into the mix. Yeah, that's 40 noobs. Then all the noobs are dying. Yeah. And then we start blocking. And then start even block. And then you're just gonna go crazy whenever they do. They're just gonna do crazy rainbows or something. And then we're all just gonna do something like this. Yeah, you're all gonna go crazy. I know! How? It's almost gonna crash my game now. Boo! It missed! It's just trying to do it. Let me stop. Finally, some peace and quiet. Oh no, no, not again, not again, not again. No. It's just a breed of noobs now. What am I doing? That's just insane. They're going crazy. All the noobs are coming. Let's make it 100 noobs. And then start just walking and jumping. And doing this. And all the way there. Go! Oh my god! sense. Maybe they're doing it. There! I have on the tip of the iceberg! That's a rainbow! We're gonna climb as high as we can in the harbor of rainbows. Okay, it's coming back, but ouch! Why? What are you doing? What is this entire rainbow? It's just a bunch of tiny noobs now. Just summoning noobs. Ah! He hurt his knee. Let's hit someone with it. We're gonna hit someone. It's implementing. We're gonna get hit by something. We need to get this. Ouch! Ooh! Wow! Pretty good.